The fastest and easiest way to enter pictures into a presentation is by using PowerPoint's photo album options. Here you can add pictures, change the layout and order, as well as select a theme. Photo albums can be created two different ways, starting with a blank presentation and then click the photo album button, or choose from one of Microsoft's photo templates. We're going to start by creating a photo album from scratch. To do this, you're simply going to open up a blank presentation, click on the Insert tab, and Photo Album. Under Photo Album, you'll notice there's two options, New Photo Album, and if we have created a photo album, we can certainly go in and edit that current photo album. So I'm going to choose New Photo Album. From here, the Photo Album dialog box opens up, and we have a lot of different options available here. Where are we going to find our photos? Are they on a file or a disk? And we can navigate and browse out and find them. Do you want to insert a text box? Captions below all pictures, and then all pictures in black and white. So I'm going to go ahead and click on File and Disk, and I'm going to use the sample pictures that come with Microsoft Windows 7. I'm going to go ahead and click on one and use the Control-A to select all, and I'm going to insert all of these pictures. You'll see that there's 8 pictures here. As I click on any one of these numbers, you can see a preview of the picture. If I decided I wanted number 7 to be moved up, I could simply use the buttons right here to move that photo up to number 6 spot, or move it down if I need to. I can also remove the photo if I decide I do not want it. I can rotate the photo, and I can also change the contrast or the brightness. Now I do have a couple of different photo layout options here. As you can see, it's going to fit the slide, so that means each slide will have its own photo. But you can choose from the drop-down several different options. And some of them even have, in this case, 2 pictures with a title. Also, if you do choose something like this layout here, you do have captions below all pictures. So if I want that name of each picture. And I also have some frame shape options. And again, you can see the preview window over here on the right side. If I'd like to choose a theme, I can simply click the Browse button and browse out to the PowerPoint themes that I have. Simply click one, hit Select, and then Create. I'll get this into presentation mode, so I'm going to go under Slideshow, From Beginning, and I'll advance through the slides so you can see what they look like. Notice that we have our side-by-side pictures with the title underneath, and I chose a black frame. Same is true here and here as well. I'll just hit the Escape key to get out of the presentation. The second way in which we can create a presentation is to use one of Microsoft's templates. To do that, you go under File and New. From New, choose one of the sample templates. We have the classic photo album, and we also have an urban photo album here as well. I'm going to choose the classic one. You'll notice a Create button on your right side of your screen. And I'll go ahead and put this in a slide presentation mode as well so we can take a look at it. You'll see that it has photos here, as well as a caption, as well as a text box. And there's different layouts. If I go back to the Home tab and I do want to insert or make some changes to this presentation, I can easily do that under our either adding a new slide or changing the current layout. So new slide, notice the different slide layout patterns that we have, as well as layout changing the current slide that we're looking at right now. There are a few different ways to edit your current photo album. Now this particular one here is a template that we've got off Microsoft. So if I go under Insert, Photo Album, you'll notice that the Edit Photo Album is grayed out. Let me switch back to the original one that we created from scratch. And let's take a look under Insert, Photo Album, and Edit Photo Album. In the one that we created from scratch, you can come right back into the Edit Photo Album dialog box, make some changes, rearrange some of your pictures, as well as change your theme. But in a Microsoft template, you will not be able to do this. You can certainly change the wording, the pictures, but you're going to be doing it on more of a manual basis and not using the Edit Photo Album dialog box. After you've made your changes, you can simply hit Update and your photo album will be updated. Interested in learning more Microsoft PowerPoint 2010? Check out our other related videos online, as well as our Microsoft Office Warrior series.